good bullish month has come to an end for gold. It is almost reversed the losses from the preceding month, and we have discussed in the month beginning that after this triple bottom, gold is still trading in this bullish channel. Also for last week, one point, if you recall, we have said that till 1940 is respected, we should not treat gold as bearish, and precisely it is traded within the range. So now what to expect in the month of August and next week, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Do watch till the end, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis on gold. Those who are new, let me share that I provide my twice a day guidance on gold, first with the Asia session, next with the Europe session. So do watch both. Definitely it will add meaning to your day trading decisions. With that, let's start. Now first let's have a look at the daily chart. See, first of all, largely it is trading within the box here, that is 1900 to 1980 levels. You can see the drop, the retracement. It failed to break past the previous highs at around 1985 levels, and since then we have seen this retracing. At the same time, another point to note here is good enough consolidation is seen here at the levels of 1900, 10 and 30 here, and at the same time 1940 is definitely a strong base. So now see what has happened after consolidation here. It has seen this rise, and you can see it forming a flag here. You can see it has formed a good flag here. This suggests that now for the next week also, if 1940 till the time it respects, and then this zone specifically till the time gold respects this zone, we should not treat this as bearish. It can possibly either trade sideways or could bounce back. That is the first point. Now look at the daily charts in more detail. You can follow the movement here. See the rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Then now see the movement has changed here suddenly. You can see lower highs and then the lower lows, and now again trying to retrace. So possibly till the time it respects 1980-85 zone, we should not treat this for a reversal. Beyond 85 is where we can expect that gold is reversed and we are going to see more bullish momentum. That is the first point. Now this applies to next week specifically. For further weeks you will see in detail with the monthly and weekly charts. Now right now if you look at, see the movement here, retracement, retracement. So it is trying to retrace. Possibly it could try to achieve a highs at around 70-75 levels if it continues to do with the bullish momentum, and at that moment we will decide which direction it is trying to take. A breakout is what we will look forward to, else it is still trading in this bearish channel, and this is forming a flag here. So this is forming a bullish flag, and breakout is what you should wait for. That is the first point. Remember 1940, which was the earlier support, is now again going to remain the support here. It is trying to keep itself above the zone and trying to trade within the box here. Now let's have a look at the weekly. On the weekly charts, one point that it has created triple bottom here at 1620. Since then we have seen gold rallying here. It has formed the flag. It has given a breakout here after the retracement. So retracement. Now here again the triple bottom at 1800. Then this rise, higher highs at around 2075-85 zone. Now some call it a triple top from the preceding highs. However, achieving the highs here, it has seen again a retracement. Now see, higher lows are getting created. If you just connect the dots, now see, this is the beauty of the charts. This is what I want to show you. See the bottom here, see the bottom here, see the bottom here. It is beautifully aligned to this trend line, and hence this is still trying to trade bullish. And if I create a parallel here, you will find that none of the candles closed above this trend line. This is almost a parallel channel which is trying to trade. In fact, some call it an expanding triangle also. You can see this. If you connect this, you will observe that this could be a potential expanding triangle here. But let's focus on the bottom first. So one thing is clear, it is taking the support from the bottom of this channel, bottom of this trend line, which is now situated at around 19, 20, 30 zone. Now this is going to be the bottom here, only below which there could be bearishness which can be expected. Now let's mirror this complete movement. We have discussed in our preceding analysis is also that divide it into two half and see the symmetry. First, these two candles almost symmetrical, then these two candles almost symmetrical. If you look at these two candles are also almost symmetrical. Here also lower highs, lower lows. Here also lower highs, lower lows. So it appears that possibly next couple of candles are also going to remain within the range somewhere here in this zone. That is the first part to it. Next is, if you look at the preceding two candles, lower highs, lower lows, which makes 1940-80 zone is still a sideways swing zone, and hence one should be cautious. Yes, if you connect it, you will find that yes, it is trying to form a good flag, and hence this zone is somewhere we have to remain cautious in. And then if you observe here, you will see how these two bullish candles have taken place, and similarly you can expect the same to happen. If not this week, then next week, and if not next week also, then next to next week these movement can be expected. As it is still trying to trade bullish, yes, it is formed a reversal, it is trying to rise again. Next observation is the resistance it is getting here at 80-85 levels. Hence, this zone becomes important. If it breaks past, certainly it should call for a rally. Now, let's have a look at the monthly charts. Now, if you track gold's movement for last multiple years or 10 years, you will find, see the rise here, exponential, retracement, consolidation zone. After consolidation, now rise, and you can see the larger picture here. It is trying to trade in this box. Now you can also observe one more point is it is consolidated here for almost 4 to 5 years before giving a breakout, and hence this is trying to trade bullish. Also, it has achieved higher highs, it is still going to be treated as bullish. Next is, see the flag formation here. It was trading in this bearish channel, and now it is given a breakout. My only concern point in the near term is the triple top which it has formed, which is going to remain a critical level, which also possibly probably calls for a sideways movement for a little while. However, now let's come to the near term. See, first of all, here it signaled a reversal. With that as reversal, couple of retracement candle and higher lows. You can see it is still trading in this bullish zone with higher lows are seen. And hence for the month of August, there are three critical levels. 1940 is the nearest, and this is applicable for next week. Then 1030 zone, this is also applicable for next week and next couple of weeks. And for the month of August, it is 1900. Any point of time, if you see it trading below 1900, remember it is going to give you a red candle, a sharp red candle, which might in fact take the prices till towards 1800. This is also possible. Now let's have a look at the last two candles. What should be treated as a reversal? See, higher highs, higher lows here. So largely say 19,000 to 2000 level, 1900 to 2000 level is completely a possibly critical watch zone for us, and possibly gold anytime moving away from 2000 levels is going to signal a sharp reversal and a stronger rally. So this you should observe. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. On the indicators part, we can see prices divergent here from the moving average, converging till towards the 20 period moving average. Here also it is the same. Both the times it was outside Bollinger Bands. Now also it has traded outside Bollinger Bands and has seen a little pullback. Now you can also see on the downside there is still a gap here, and the move on the downside, the room on the downside is still not much. Hence, and see the 20 period exponential moving average is now sitting at around 1850, which is a great support in the month of August. If and only if it stays below 1900, we can expect that this time it is going to hit 1850 level. But at the same time, see the divergence here started. Since then we have seen good bullish momentum, and now also moving averages are diverging. We can expect it to trade bullish. Monthly stochastic has dropped here, and it is trading comfortable. Look at the MACD. Now this is important. MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness, and you can see this is the, see if this is the first wave, you can expect that this is the beginning of the bullish leg of the next wave here, which in fact, even if it does not try to achieve these levels, it could, even if it tries to achieve slightly lower levels, still you can see the room on the upside is too much for gold. So this is something you should watch out for. Also see, we have seen gold almost crossing over after couple of, or you can say 3 to 4 years on the monthly charts, and hence it can continue with the bullish momentum in the near term. Hence we can still expect it to rise and break past higher highs in the near, or you can say mid-term. When I say mid-term, it is almost 6 months to 1 year time zone. You can expect gold to achieve higher prices. See, RSI is flat here on the monthly charts, which also gives a room for it to rise. Coming to the weekly. So see, on the weekly charts also it is important. The rise, the deviation from the moving average coming till towards the 2050 average. then higher highs coming till towards the 2050 period moving average and consolidation, and now again looking upwards. Also the crossover has happened only a few weeks back. It can continue with the bullish momentum from here. The outlook still appears to remain bullish even in the near term. Till the time it stays above 1800 levels, I will treat gold as bullish, and I will turn bearish only and only if in the near term, that is next 3 months, we see gold trading below 1800 levels. Else you can still see there is bullishness. Yes, the moving averages are trading with divergence. Also you can look at the weekly charts, how beautifully it has got the support from the 20 weeks average at 1940. Now see, stochastic on the weekly charts is rising here, looking upwards. It can possibly now enter into overbought zone soon, and from there we can see a retracement. This is one probability. Now look at the MACD here on the weekly chart. This is where I am trying to remain a bit cautious. You can see rise, retracement, higher highs, retracement. Now when it is bullish, yes, it tries to create a wave like this. You can see this. Now I will just observe because it is coming after a V-shaped recovery here. Yes, it has come till towards the same levels where it is converged, and hence next few weeks are going to remain crucial, as if it crosses over it may try to achieve higher highs. So I will wait for the crossover. So this is something important. Right now it is trying to converge. If it crosses over and gives couple of candles, certainly more bullish momentum in the near term will be seen here. Also you can see higher highs are seen here. So I will wait, and because see the downside is wide open here, so this next couple of weeks are going to remain important. If it continues to diverge, more bearishness will be seen here. So this is something which is making me cautious of the bull run. RSI is flat here. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily charts, the important point to note is the crossover between the 20 and 50 days average. This is always an important crossover, and you can see the prices were divergent from the moving average. It has converged. In fact, it has converged till towards the 100 days average. Now see, let me show you something. This was the crossover earlier on the buy side, and since then a sharp rally was seen from 1850 levels till 2085 levels. Now this was a bearish cross. It has seen a good slight drop here, and now it is again crossed over for the buy side, and this also suggests that there could be bullishness. I will definitely watch out for how it behaves at around 1980 2000 zone. Beyond that, certainly close your eyes, keep holding the gold for near term. Stochastic rising here on the daily charts. Now this is where on the daily charts MACD is also signaling a slight caution, but see gold here on the daily charts, you can see always have got the support from the bottom here, and see the highs here. So it is trying to trade in this box. Now it has achieved almost the median here. I will definitely observe how it behaves here, because see it is trying to cross over. It has not yet crossed over, and a possible bullish candle from here will take it to overbought zone. So next few candles again are going to remain important, and RSI rising. So we have now seen the charts, we have now seen the indicators, and time for me to define the trading levels and a strategy for you. Couple of observations. Let me summarize here that on the weekly and monthly charts there is bullishness. In fact, the range you should watch out for the month of August is 1900 2000 zone. If it stays within the zone, we have nothing to do. We have to just observe. Any breakout above and below will be treated as a bullish or bearish breakout. That is something you should know. On the downside, couple of levels 1940, 1910 to 30, and then below that more bearishness, specifically below 1900. On the upside above 1985 2000. So now let me give you the levels here. Now these levels are going to remain important for next week and also for this month of August. You can buy at these levels or sell at these levels. So first let's talk about the buying level. And before we proceed, I have a couple of offerings for you. Those who want to learn this art of analysis, those who want to learn the art of trading, where you can experience, where you can gain from the experience, years of experience, and the tools, techniques, and strategies which we have devised over the years of experience for you. You should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of August. Limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are available in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my Signals channel. So first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 1967 levels next week. Beyond that, you should look forward to see these levels. Those who watch my daily analysis must be, it must be, these levels must be imbibed by now. 1974, 1983. Now, at each of these milestones, you can expect that there is going to be resistance, there is going to be stronger resistance here. And now you know the reason why there could be. Beyond that, I will look forward to 1991, 2004. Now, these are the levels. If it breaks out any point of time in the month of August, you should stay long above this. Certainly, we are going to look at 2025 levels, and beyond that, in fact, more bullishness might take it till towards 2038, 2053, and then 2075 levels. Beyond this, sky is the limit. Yes, it has the scope for it. At each of these levels, if you are taking a long term position or even if you are taking a weekly position, you should always keep shifting your stop losses, keep booking the profits, keep re entering if you see it trading in the same direction. Now, let's talk about where to sell. Now, in fact, now it is easy for you all to give the levels. Now, I will recommend to sell at 1953 levels, below which you can expect 1946, 1942 levels. See, this is 1942 and I will say 1939. This is a $3 zone where you are going to see very strong support. We have seen it earlier at 42, 43, and hence I have included this. Now, below this, you can expect first target should be at around 1929. Next target is at around 1918. These are very, very strong support levels here till 1918. This is something you should watch out for. Any breakout below should lead to further bearishness for 1904, 1891 levels. And if it drops any time below 1891 in August, you can say that more bearishness is going to prevail. If it drops below 1891, I will be 70% bearish, expecting 1870, 1850 levels. And if it breaks 1850, I will be 100% bearish for 1800, which is the bottom there. Now, I do not expect it to go till towards these levels in August. My expectation will be 70 to 80% bullish in the month of August. However, these are markets I will trade or I will change my biases as per the levels, as per the movement on the market between 1900 to 2000 levels. At least I will be sideways. I will not be expecting it to give a major direction in between these levels, and hence take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. It's always been a great motivation. Join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Do watch the twice a day analysis. Definitely, it will add to your day trading decisions. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.